Your old towels are frayed, faded, and stiff. You're ready to toss them in the trash. But wait, what if I told you those worn-out towels still hold a secret power? That with a few simple tricks, they can transform into cleaning tools so effective, you'll wonder why you ever thought of throwing them away. Before I reveal these powerful hacks, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Because what you're about to learn will save you money, reduce waste, and give your home a spotless shine. Why old towels matter. We often underestimate the value of fabric that has aged. Old towels may look useless, but their texture changes with time. They become softer, more absorbent, and tougher in ways that make them perfect for cleaning. Instead of wasting money on disposable wipes and fancy cloths, you already have cleaning magic sitting in your closet. Hack number 1. The perfect dust cloth. Cut old towels into smaller squares, and suddenly you have the best dust cloths. Unlike synthetic wipes, cotton grips onto dust instead of just pushing it around. Run it across your shelves, blinds, or TV screens, and watch it collect dust like a magnet. The best part? They're washable and reusable, eco-friendly, and cost-saving. Hack number 2. Floor mopping pads. Got a Swiffer or mop that needs refills? Forget the expensive packs. Cut towels to fit your mop head, spray a little vinegar water solution, and you've got a reusable mop pad that cleans better than store-bought ones. The worn fibers dig into corners, lifting dirt and grime easily. When dirty, just toss them in the wash and use again. Hack number 3. Window and mirror polishers. Old towels have a rough but soft surface that makes them perfect for streak-free glass cleaning. Spray a mix of vinegar and water, then wipe with towel cloths. Unlike paper towels, they won't shred or leave lint behind. The result? Windows and mirrors so clear, you might forget the glass is there. Hack number 4. Kitchen wipes. Instead of wasting paper towels, use old towel strips as kitchen wipes. Keep a stack near your sink for spills, counters, or drying hands. They absorb quickly and hold up against grease. Wash, reuse, repeat. It's not just cleaning, it's cutting down on waste while saving money. Hack number 5. Car cleaning magic. Detailing your car can cost a fortune, but old towels make it effortless. Use them for polishing dashboards, cleaning windows, or drying the exterior after a wash. They're absorbent enough to handle water, soft enough not to scratch, and durable enough for repeated use. Hack number 6. Bathroom helpers. Those stubborn water spots on faucets, soap scum on tiles? Add baking soda paste or lemon juice, and you'll see bathroom fixtures shine again. Hack number 7. Emergency rugs and mats. Sometimes spills happen fast. Wine on the carpet, muddy shoes at the door. Old towels can act as emergency mats or absorbent rugs. Lay them down, let them soak, then wash and reuse. No panic, no stains. Just smart, practical reuse. Leave us a comment below and tell us about any other uses you have for old towels. We really do love to hear from you. The emotional side of reuse. There's something powerful about taking what looks useless and giving it a second life. Every time you turn an old towel into a cleaning tool, you're saving money, reducing waste, and honoring the value of what you already own. It's not just cleaning, it's sustainability. And it feels good knowing you're part of the solution, not the problem. The bigger lesson. And maybe this isn't just about towels. Maybe it's about life. How often do we discard things, objects, habits, even people, just because they look worn or outdated? But sometimes, what seems old still has hidden value. With a little creativity, we can transform the ordinary into something extraordinary. So the next time you're ready to throw away those faded towels, stop. Cut them, reuse them, and watch them work cleaning miracles in your home. Dust cloths, mop pads, glass polishers, car wipes, the list goes on. Old towels aren't trash, they're treasure. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful and unconventional hacks that save money, reduce waste, and transform your home. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list. an emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community because sometimes the simplest solutions are already in your hands.